Akuko Mbe.
How is it possible that this squirrel looks healthier than the rest of us? Including me, your king! It's been a month since I had a set meal, and I'm beginning to grow thin, feeling of scraps and tiny muscles. I need something big. I need something crunchy. I need something delicious. I need something like you.
But Your Highness, everybody knows I'm ugly. Even you have got me ugly many times.
I know,
I'm not
but
delicious.
you could be.
I have all sorts of disease. Your Highness.
Don't worry. With a little spices sprinkled here and there, I'm sure you will fit just fine for delicious.
I am not delicious. COVID, everything is inside my body, Your Highness. you don't want to eat me, but Your Highness, I'm your humble servant, Your Highness. But there is an alternative, Your Highness. Why don't you eat this squirrel? His meat is good, and hunters are always hunting his type. It shows that the statistics show that he's good. I'm just saying to remind you if you have forgotten.
People used to say, "Adịghị agwa ochi ntị na agha esu." If you like this video and want to enjoy more episodes of Akuko Mbe, click on the subscribe button now on the screen. Watch out for our next episode, same time next week, Friday by 6 p.m. Thank you for watching.